Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 0x9 crash error. So actually this is very common to happen, so I have the solution and this is obviously the best option and the only option to fix this. Well, you have to go to the Windows key and you have to look for settings. So you press settings, doesn't matter, I have it on Spanish but doesn't, it's not a problem. So you have to go to apps or applications, and here you have to find the Xbox application. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to click the Xbox application, press advanced settings, and once you press advanced settings you have to scroll down, you have to press find this option end task, then you have to press repair, wait a few seconds till it repairs. Okay, so once it's repaired, you have to press the second option just below repair. Okay, so if this doesn't work, you have to uninstall the Xbox app and get it again from the Microsoft Store. Also, you can download the Xbox app directly from the website, but I recommend to do it from the Microsoft Store. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell on the subscription button. See you next time. Easy way.